Hello and welcome to the section on character animation, the first real substantive section in this course. Now, we're going to talk about simple character animation now to get you started. And then we'll get on to more advanced things as the rest of the course progresses. So what are we going to cover in this course? Well, first of all, we're going to look at the screen layout of Create Studio and make sure you're familiar with what all of the buttons and knobs and sliders do. And then we're going to use it to create a project. I'm going to show you all the project creation options that you've got to set up a project to start doing animation. The next thing we're going to do is look at inserting and manipulating characters, actually just a single character to start with. And that inevitably brings us to the timeline, one of the most complicated parts of Create Studio. It's really the heart of the program, and once you understand it, fully master it, then you are going to fully master the program. And we're going to look at basic character animation from there. So once you figure out the timeline and you know how to insert and manipulate characters, we're going to look at how to animate that character. Next, we're going to look at kind of a simple little add-on, and that's how to customize your characters by changing the colors of them. You can't really change the shape or give them another arm or a tail or anything like that, or stuff a camera in their hands even. But you can change their colors to your color scheme for whatever you're doing. And then we're going to look at character movement. So you're going to be able to animate and have characters do things like walk and so on, but they're going to do it in place. They're not going to move. So we're going to look at how to move characters once you've applied effects so that they move around the screen. And then we're going to look at using multiple characters and elements. I call them characters. They're really more accurately elements because they don't have to be animals. They can be things like cameras or boxes or anything like that. We're going to show you how to do that. And then finally, we're going to look at how to render video output, how to generate an MP4 for the actual video out of the program. So without further ado, let's move on to the first lecture, which is the screen layout and project creation. I'll see you there.